Hello friends, welcome to Bright Tutorials. Today's topic is Current Affairs, Awards and Honors for RRB, NTPC, Group D, SSC, Banking, CHSL, IAS, KAS, PSI and other competitive exams. So let's start the session. First question. Who has been honored with International Booker Prize 2020 for debut novel The Discomfort Evening? So our answer is Mareike Lucas Rijneveld. Important points are the 29-year-old Dutch author Mareike Lucas Rijneveld has become the youngest author and the first Dutch writer to the International Booker Prize. The Discomfort of Evening, a dark story about a devout farming family in a strict Christian community in the rural Netherlands. Next question. Who has won Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2020? So our answer is Kejang D. Tongdok. Related important points are Arunachal Pradesh filmmaker Kejang D. Tongdok has won the Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2020 for Chi Lupo, which is a short documentary on a honey hunting. Next question. Who has won Diana Award 2020? So our answer is Freya Chakral. Related important points are a 13-year-old student of the British School, New Delhi, Freya Chakral has received the Diana Award 2020 for her Recycler app. She developed this app to connect users with waste handlers as a measure to help the rag pickers of Delhi. Next question. Who has won Nelson Mandela Prize 2020? So our answer is both answer 1 and answer 2. Means Morisanda Kayate, Mariana Vadinoinis. Related important points are this prize is awarded every 5 years by United Nations on Mandela Day to two individuals, one woman and one man from different geographic regions. Mrs. Mariana V. Vadionoinis is a Greek philanthropist and world advocate for human rights and the protection of children's health and welfare. Mr. Morisanda Kayate is a leading advocate on ending violence against women and girls in Africa. Next question. Who has been honored with Toronto International Film Festival TIFF Tribute Actor Award? So our answer is Kate Winslet. So, related important points are the Oscar-winning actor will receive the honor during the virtual gala following her latest film Frances Lee's Ammonite. Kate Winslet was the actress of famous film Titanic. Next question. Who has won Richard Dawkins Award 2020? So our answer is Javed Akhtar. Related important points are Bollywood writer and lyricist Javed Akhtar has become the first Indian to win Richard Dawkins Award 2020 for critical thinking advancing human progress and humanist values. Next question. Who has been honored with German Book Trade Peace Prize 2020? So our answer is Amartya Sen. Related important points are the Indian economist and philosopher Amartya Sen was awarded the 2020 Peace Prize of the German Book Trade ceremony held in the Church of St. Paul in Frankfurt am Main. Next question. Who has been honored with World Food Prize 2020? So our answer is Ratan Lal. Related important points are Ratan Lal, native of India and a citizen of the United States, will receive the 2020 World Food Prize for developing and mainstreaming a soil-centric approach to increasing food production that restores and conserves natural resources and mitigates climate change. Next question. Who has won Commonwealth Short Story Prize 2020? So our answer is Kritika Pandey. Related important points are the 29-year-old author Kritika Pandey from Ranchi, Jharkhand. Her short story is The Great Indian Tea and Snakes. Next question. Who has been honored with Pulitzer Prize Feature Photography 2020? So our answer is all of them. Means Channi Anand, Mukhtar Khan, Dar Yasin. Related important points are the Pulitzer Prize for Feature Photography is one of the American Pulitzer Prizes annually awarded for journalism. It recognizes a distinguished examples of features photography is a black and white color which may consist of a photographs, a sequence or an album. Next question. Who has won Fed Cup Heart for Asia Oceania zones? So our answer is Sania Mirza. Related important points are Indian tennis player Sania Mirza becomes first Indian to win Fed Cup Heart Award 2020 for Asia Oceania zone. She beats Indonesia's 16-year-old Priska Madeline Nugroho for this category and received award for her successful return to the court after becoming a mother. Next question. Who has won Wisden's leading cricketer 2020 award in women's category? So our answer is LSA Perry. Related important points are Australia's LSA Perry has been named the ICC's Women's Cricketers of the Decade with Steve Smith winning the Men's Test Player of the Decade award. Next question. Who has been honored with Hero to Animal Award by PETA India? So our answer is Naveen Patnaik. So related important points are Chief Minister of Odisha Naveen Patnaik has been conferred with Her to Animals award by animals rights body PETA India. He has been awarded by people for the ethical treatment of animals for allocating funds to feed community animals in Odisha during the lockdown over the novel coronavirus pandemic. Next question. Who has won 128th edition of Commonwealth Points of Lights Award? So our answer is Jadhav Payeng. Related important points are environmental activist Jadhav Payeng, popularly called the Forest Man, was named the 128th Commonwealth Points of Light Award winner. Queen Elizabeth II has honored Payeng for his exceptional voluntary service to environmental conservation. A, a spokesperson of the British Deputy High Commission said. Next question. Who has been honored with Swami Vivekananda Karma Yogi Award 2020? So our answer is Jadhav Payeng. Important points are Forestman of India Jadhav Payeng was awarded 6th Karma Yogi Award for his consistent efforts in creating a real man-made forest through massive reforestation. He was also honored with the Padma Shri a few years ago. Next question. Who has won Polly Umurgar Award 2020? So our answer is Jasprit Bumrah. Related important points are India's fast bowler Jasprit Bumrah bagged this highest award of Indian cricket on January 12, 2020. He received this award for the best international cricket 2018 to 19 at the BCCI annual awards events. Bumrah made his test debut against South Africa in 2019. Next question. Which city has been honored with Plastic Waste Management Award 2020? So our answer is all of these. Sirmaur, Himachal Pradesh, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, Puri, Orissa, Dibrugarh, Assam. Important points are: on January 12, 2020, the Drinking Water and Sanitation DDWS under Ministry of Jal Shakti organized the ODF Open Defecation Free Sustainability Workshop in New Delhi. Next question. Which state has won first prize in Republic Day Parade of 2021? So our answer is Uttar Pradesh. Related important points are: the Ram Temple tableau of Uttar Pradesh. The theme of Uttar Pradesh tableau was Ayodhya Cultural Heritage of Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Who has won first men's Khelo India Ice Hockey Tournament 2020? So our answer is Ladakh Scouts Regimental Center. Next question. Which film has won the award for best film in 92nd Oscar Award 2020? So our answer is Parasite. Related important points are: 92 years of Oscar history to become the first non-English and South Korean film to win the Best Picture award. Next question. Who has been honored with 29th Saraswati Samman? So our answer is Vasdev Mohi. Related important points are: eminent Sindhi writer Vasdev Mohi will be conferred with 29th Saraswati Samman for his short stories collection Checkbook. Next question. Who has been honored with Gandhi Nobel Peace Prize 2020? So our answer is Dr. Kanhaiya Tripathi. Related important points are: Dr. Kanhaiya Tripathi has a PhD in Indian Human Rights Movement from Mahatma Gandhi Antarrashtriya Hindi Vishwavidyalaya, Wardha. Next question. Who has been honored with Abel Prize 2020 in the field of mathematics? So our answer is both 1 and 2, means Gregory Margulis, Hillel Furstenberg. Related important points are: the award is given for pioneering the use of methods from probability and dynamics in group theory, number theory and combinatory. Next question. Who has been honored with 65th Filmfare Award 2020 for Best Director? So our answer is Zoya Akhtar. Next question. Who has been honored with Vyasa Samman Award 2019? So our answer is Nazira Sharma. Related important points are: New Delhi, November 5, UNI noted Hindi writer Nazira Sharma will be conferred with the prestigious Vyas Samman 2019 for her novel Kagaz Ki Naav. Okay friends, still more competitive exams related informations videos will be uploaded in next video. So please watch our channel and subscribe the channel. Press the bell button, do like, share and comment. Thank you.